Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take you through making a delicious, comforting cup of traditional tea. Whether you call it English tea or Desi Chai, it's a time-honored drink that has brought warmth and joy to many around the world. The recipe I'm sharing today combines both the classic English approach and the bold, spiced essence of Indian chai. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 3 cups of water, 5 cups of whole milk, 1/3 cup of black tea leaves, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Feel free to adjust the sugar based on how sweet you like your tea, but the measurements I'm using here are typical for a rich, indulgent cup. Start by pouring 3 cups of water into a pot and set it on the stove over high heat. Let the water come to a rapid boil. This step is crucial because it helps to fully extract the flavor from the tea leaves and ensures your tea has the boldness you want. Once your water is boiling, add the tea leaves directly to the boiling water. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to extract all that rich, dark flavor from the tea, so be patient and allow the leaves to infuse the water. Now, pour in your 5 cups of whole milk. Gently heat the milk on medium-low, making sure it warms up slowly. We don't want the milk to boil over or scald, so keep a close eye on it. If you're making traditional Desi Chai, this is the point where you could add any optional spices, like cardamom, cinnamon, or ginger, all of which elevate the flavor profile. But for the purpose of this recipe, we're sticking to the basics. Now, it's time to sweeten your tea. Add 1/2 cup of sugar to the mix, or more if you prefer a sweeter cup. Stir well to ensure the sugar dissolves completely, and taste it. Adjust if you like a little more sweetness. Traditionally, English tea might be served with a little sugar, while in India, chai tends to be on the sweeter side. Once everything is perfectly blended, pour the tea into your cups. You'll see the rich, creamy texture and that beautiful golden color. Whether you're serving it with a biscuit, a slice of cake, or simply enjoying it on its own, this tea is the perfect way to relax and enjoy a moment of peace. And there you have it, this simple, comforting cup of traditional English tea or Desi Chai, made with just a few ingredients and a little love. The balance of strong black tea, rich milk, and just the right amount of sweetness makes for a perfect drink any time of the day. Thank you for joining me in this tea-making experience. I hope you'll enjoy the warmth and flavor of this classic drink. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe.